In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Wix website 2025 step by step. Site speed affects everything from user experience to conversion rates, and one of the easiest wins inside Wix Studio is controlling how your pages are cached. Caching stores a ready-to-serve version of your page on fast, distributed servers, which means visitors get the content quicker, with fewer heavy requests each time they load the page. Start by opening Wix Studio and signing into your account. From your site's dashboard, open the project you want to optimize and enter the editor by selecting Edit Site. This brings you into the design workspace where you can adjust layout, content, and performance-related settings for each page. Once the editor loads, look to the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find the site structure and tools you'll use. Click Pages to open the list of all pages on your site. Choose the page you want to speed up first. A good place to begin is your home page or any page with a lot of traffic, since small gains there will have the biggest impact. With your page selected, find the three dots next to its name to open the More Options menu. Click Settings to access page-specific controls, then navigate to Advanced Settings. In this area, locate the option labeled Manually Control Caching for this page and toggle it on. Turning this on gives you direct control over how Wix caches the page, allowing the platform to serve a stored version more efficiently instead of rebuilding it for every visitor. A quick note on when this helps the most. Manual caching is ideal for pages that don't change frequently, like home, about, services, or landing pages. If a page is highly dynamic, showing constantly updated content or personalized elements, use this feature thoughtfully, because aggressive caching can delay the display of fresh updates. After you change this setting, Wix may take a moment to propagate the cache across its network, and updates you make later will appear once the cache refreshes as part of your normal publishing flow. Repeat these steps for any other key pages you want to optimize. For best results, pair this with lightweight images, minimal animations, and only the apps you truly need. That's it. You've taken control of page caching in Wix Studio and set yourself up for faster load times. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.